Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Asu, Taiko with a keyboard. We will cover the fundamental setup and essential techniques to get you started. Asu, Taiko is a rhythm game where you hit notes in time with the music. You will encounter two primary note types, red dawn notes and blue cat notes. By default, your keyboard keys Z, X, C, and V are assigned to these actions, but you can customize them for better comfort and efficiency. Understanding dawn and cat notes is crucial for success. Red dawn notes represent the center of the drum and are typically hit using your two inner assigned keys, like X and C. Blue cat notes represent the rim of the drum and are hit with your two outer assigned keys, such as Z and V. Customizing these keybinds to suit your hand size and play style can significantly improve your performance and reduce fatigue during longer sessions. Timing is paramount in Asu, Taiko. Aim to hit each note precisely when it aligns with the judgment circle on the right side of the screen. Consistent practice across various beat maps will help you develop an intuitive sense of rhythm and improve your reaction time. If you notice a slight delay, adjust the universal offset in the game's options to synchronize the audio and visual cues perfectly for an optimal experience. To tackle more challenging songs, practice alternating your hands for faster note streams, which allows for quicker and more efficient input. Experiment with game modifiers to either increase the difficulty for a greater challenge or decrease it to focus on accuracy. Remember, consistent daily practice, even for just 15 to 20 minutes, is the most effective way to build muscle memory and achieve significant long-term improvement in your Asu, Taiko skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.